Hello YouTube, this is Will Tate, Yacht Boss, representing Knot10 Yacht Sales. Today we're heading down to Southern Maryland. We're going to take a look at a 1997 Atlas Boatworks Arcadia 25. The Arcadia 25 is a classic looking Downey style boat that is just a really cool little pocket cruiser. This is a very traditional boat. The boat is kept right now in a barn down in Southern Maryland. So this is amazing barn find. Can't wait to take a look at it. I have not seen this boat in a couple months, but I know some of you have been requesting a video on it, and this is going to be it. Let's get into it. How you doing? Will Tate here, Yacht Boss, representing Knot10 Yacht Sales. Just taking a peek at this 1997 Arcadia 25 built by Atlas Boatworks out of Florida. We're going to take a look at the boat real quick. Just did a little walk around the hull sides, etc. But just wanted to give you guys a good example of what a little pocket cruiser can do for you. The great things about this Arcadia 25 is a nice expansive cockpit, great for afternoon sunset cruises, etc. Plenty of room. Also got great covered space as well. Starting in the back of the boat, we've got nice access if you need to service your fuel tank. It's located right here in the back. On the port side, we've got batteries with battery switch, very easily accessible. Nice storage for fishing rods on starboard side, storage for fishing rods on the port side. Coming out of the cockpit, going to the helm, we do have two draperies with isinglass. So this boat is able to be used in more inclement weather. Just panning around the helm. Got two sliding glass windows on port and starboard side. Two helm seats. Welcome to the helm. This boat is equipped with GPS and radar. Depth finder. All your analog engine gauges located here. Shifters down below. This boat is equipped with a Yanmar diesel motor. VHF radio. To get a little bit extra air in here, this window does adjust. It is able to open up, as well as the two side windows as well. And down below, looks like we have a refrigerator located here. Sink. This boat does have a head with a hard door for the bathroom. Berth, nice expansive. If you need to crash overnight, perfect little spot. Engine on this boat's 4-cylinder Yanmar. Just had the mixing elbow replaced. Also, it's got a fresh raw water strainer as well. Bottom paint on this boat looks to be very, very nice. Props in great shape. This is a protected prop in case you run aground. Welcome back. So we just took a look at this 1997 Atlas Boats Group Arcadia 25. Really nice little pocket cruiser. If you're looking at heading out, like I said, for sunset cruise, perfect little harbor cruiser to get you anywhere you need to go. Again, this is Will Tate, Yacht Boss, representing Knot10 Yacht Sales. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We got more boats coming. Have a great day.